Hello, this is Jordan from Nexus Property Management, Fall River, and we are looking at 889 Pine Street, Unit 3N. This is a third floor apartment, 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom. This unit has tile and hardwood floor, has a very open layout. We have the kitchen here with the gas stove, stainless steel sink. Some beautiful railing here. Here you have the Parlor living room area, very spacious, plenty of natural light. Walls have been repainted. This unit has plenty of storage when it comes to cabinets and closets. Here we have a smaller little area, could be used for a dining room. Nice skylight here. To the left here, we have your bedroom, very large. Has baseboard heating. And we're going to take it right here, see the bathroom layout. Very spacious bathroom. Tile throughout the whole bathroom. And we have the very large full-size tub and shower. And this property is managed by Nexus Property Management, where we offer services like a 24-hour service and emergency hotline number. We also have services such as key copying and the ability to pay rent online. This is 889 Pine Street, Unit 3 in Fall River, Massachusetts.